We're here at Menai Bridge Cricket Club and we're going to be teaching children that are in foster care art and design.
We'll be working two separate groups. We've got two giant canvases.
I already know what colours I want.
Do you?
I need to.
It's going to be quite collaborative and they're going to get to create something that reminds them of home.
Bydd y gwaith celf yn cael ei ddadorchudio yn Eisteddfod yr Urdd ym mis Mai a bydd y plant yma heddiw yn cael ei gwahodd I mynychu'r stand I gweld ei gwaith celf.
I was 5 when I went into care. I arrived with the clothes that I was wearing and my looked like colouring pencils and I've never really let go of them, to be honest. So today it's a full circle moment. Getting to deliver this to young people is really special.
What did we start drawing first? Doll. And where was the doll?
In the garden.
In the garden.
I like what you did to these.
Dwi wedi meithi ar Ynys Môn ers 12 blynedd. Dwi'n dod yma heddiw efo 3 plant. Dyn ni'n gwneud celf a siarad am pam mae'n pwysig I aros yn y ardal lleol.
I think it's really, really important to foster within the area.
Because every friend, every teacher, every school, every home is a loss. And we want to reduce that as much as possible.
Staying local, it gives you like an anchor point. You've still got that semblance of familiarity.
One of our first foster children was from the same town that my husband was born in, and they connected over memories, and that transpires into feelings of safety.
A magical house.
There's children here today that have been in my care previously. They've got relationships with the children that we have now because they're within the local authority. And it's all about that community, all about that shared experience.